What's up, guys? Hope you all having an amazing day. It's your boy Atrian
Amrish.
back again on Trini Vlogs. Today we're gonna be doing another install video. We're gonna be doing the side decal install on a BMW F30. Let's go.
Alright guys, so first step, wash your car with some regular dish soap.
Alright guys, so the next step is to use alcohol to clean the area, get rid of any wax or grease on your car. Just prep it so that the decal will adhere properly to the surface. Take your time, wipe it down clean with the alcohol, cover all the surfaces. Make sure that any wax or grease on your surface or any remaining particles after using the microfiber is completely gone. Alright, so after wiping down with your alcohol, just use another piece of paper towel, get rid of any excess moisture.
After wiping, your paper towel should be clean still. It's good to use a white paper towel so you'll see the difference if there's any dirt. Alright, so the final step here is to pass with a microfiber to remove any lint that is left behind from the paper towel, or you can use a lint-free paper towel. That'll be the best option. But to work with what you got here. Right, so you're all set.
Alright guys, so your next step is to get your decal. I'm going to be using this glossy black one. Line it up on your side skirt and you're going to be applying it from the end that is closer to your rear wheel arch. Alright, so this is a glimpse of the laying process for the decal. You have this man on the roller skate here, roller chair, and this is how it's going down. So as you remove the backing from the vinyl, he's passing one time with a felt tip squeegee. Getting out any bubbles and imperfections as we lay. Alright guys, so install complete. Just give it a final wipe down. Get a rag. Bring out the shine. And this is a final look at the install. Guys, so that was the final look at the install.
So you saw it here, carbon fiber side skirt install on a BMW F30.
So we see you guys soon for the next install.
Peace out.
Stay awesome.